Hey guys, today we are diving into one of the hot topic in the world of AI, that is General Artificial Intelligence, or popularly known as AGI. We are going to explore what AGI is all about, its significance and its possibilities, and also what it holds for the future of technology and for us, for humanity. Towards the end of this video, I will also talk about how you can learn General Artificial Intelligence and what is the step-by-step approach to master Gen AI or AGI. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI. This side Asif Himnad. First thing first, let's talk about what exactly is General Artificial Intelligence. AGI or General Artificial Intelligence refers to AI systems with the ability to understand and learn and apply knowledge across different domains. Same like human intelligence. The knowledge is not only limited to the specific field, but Gen AI can think, act, respond same like humans. In contrast to AGI, which is also called narrow AI does a specific thing like natural language processing, like recommendation system or text to speech or object detection, image processing. So these are specific tasks which are called narrow AI. It is AI but does only specific things. But here we are talking about General Artificial Intelligence. Why Gen AI is so dangerous? Because Gen AI has cognitive capabilities same like humans. Gen AI also includes the study of human cognition, psychology, neuroscience to understand how human intelligence actually functions. It is not only limited to the data. We are going a step ahead and talking about philosophy of mind, how philosophical theories of mind and consciousness works for humans, and the same concept is being applied in AGI. AGI is also trying to gain the common sense reasoning abilities. So you can imagine the kind of responses that we are gonna get and the kind of applications we can build with the help of AGI. So that's why talking to AGI or ChatGPT, Google Bard, these are in the initial phases, but talking to these looks like you're talking to some human. So it gives a responses same like humans. This is what AGI can do. Okay, before we proceed and discuss in detail, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss our latest videos on AI. We see you are watching our videos, but 90% are not yet subscribed. We put a lot of efforts creating these videos for you free. Keep us motivated by liking and subscribing, so YouTube algorithm will also help us reach more audience. So, did you subscribe and like? Thank you. Let me talk about some of the challenges that we have with AGI now. So the very first challenge that we have is understanding and representing the knowledge. Humans have vast amount of knowledge about the world. They able to generalize this knowledge to new situations. AGI systems struggle to represent and understand knowledge in a way that is similar to humans. This is because AGI systems are trained on large amount of data. AGIs do not have understanding of underlying concepts and relationships in the data. As a result, AGI systems often have a difficulty applying their knowledge to new situations. The second most important challenge that general AI has, it is learning from small amount of data. AGI cannot learn from small data. Humans are able to learn from small amount of data. We do not require much data, because humans have cognitive abilities, humans have critical thinking, humans have psychology, humans have mind. There are a lot of other aspects which humans have, but this AGI is still struggling with these concepts. And hence it is difficult for AGI to learn from small amount of data, whereas humans can learn from small amount of data because they have gathered a lot of experience in the past. Third challenge that we have with AGI is transfer learning, which is nothing but humans are able to transfer knowledge from one domain to another. Let's say you learn something from your parents. Being disciplined, being consistent with your work, getting up in the morning, doing the task, doing the things on your own, taking the initiatives and finishing them up. So these same learnings you can apply also in your career. If you apply these qualities in career, then your career also grows. This is what transfer learning is. You learn and get the experience from one domain and apply the same in other domain as well. That's what the transfer learning is. But AGI cannot do that, because AGI are often trained on a specific task, on a specific data, and that's why they can able to respond for the specific questions. What about the common sense reasoning? Humans have a vast amount of common sense knowledge. We apply common sense. right? Which is they use to make the decisions and understand the world around them. They behave, they act based on the common sense, whereas AGI systems lack common sense knowledge and they often struggle to make decisions in real world situations. This is because, again, AGIs are trained on the data, and data is based on the facts, data is based on the stats, data is based on the maths. So in general life, on a daily basis, AGI cannot take certain decisions which are based on common sense. Now let's proceed and talk about the most important part of this video, which I promised you in the start, that is how you can learn general AI and what is the step-by-step approach to master general artificial intelligence. So the very first step is obviously you need to learn the foundations of general AI. You need to start by understanding the basics of artificial intelligence, covering its history, that is different types, supervised, unsupervised, narrow AI, general AI, recommendation system, natural language processing. You need to understand the different types and slowly proceed ahead. What are the current applications and how these applications are built? How Instagram is recommending us the same content again and again which we like and comment. How Instagram is showing us the reels which we are most interested into, which is again based on recommendation system. How Amazon is showing us the products which we are likely to purchase. Right? Once you understand the foundations of AI, then you need to deep dive into machine learning. Machine learning is the core of AI, I would say. You need to understand machine learning algorithms. You need to understand different types of machine learning, that is supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. You need to at least create one application, a simple demo on each algorithm. So if you are in the same phase, in the same path, and you want to learn machine learning in the depth, every algorithm in machine learning, then we already have created lot of machine learning algorithm videos with hands-on, with the demo, and also the code is uploaded to Git repositories. So check out our machine learning playlist. The link is kept in the I button. I'll also keep it in the description. So check that out and learn machine learning from the scratch, from the first video. Once you learn machine learning, you need to learn advanced topics in AI, that is deep learning. So deep learning is all about neural networks. Not only neural networks, there are different types of neural networks that we have in deep learning, which is advanced part of AI, such as convolutional neural network, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and attention mechanisms. And not to forget, in advanced AI in deep learning, natural language processing, NLP. You need to explore the language models, transformers, and techniques for processing and generating human-like text. And all our assistants are based on NLP, whether it is iPhone Siri, Google's OK Google, or Amazon's Alexa, or even ChatGPT or Google Bard, all are using natural language processing, that is NLP. And after this, there are some more things that you need to learn, that is, you need to understand cognitive science, you need to understand cognitive psychology, learn about human cognition, psychology, and neuroscience, that how human intelligence actually functions. You need to explore philosophical theories of mind and the consciousness, as these concepts intersect with general artificial intelligence. Common sense reasoning is also one of the main topics that you should focus on while going deep in the journey of AGI learning. And after this, not to forget, how are we protecting ourselves? How are we taking care of ethical considerations? We need to deep dive into ethical implications of AGI development. We need to learn how we can control the safety and the societal impact of AGI. And then finally, not to forget, the practical implementation is most important. You have to make sure you engage in hands-on projects focusing on AGI related problems. You need to do the experiment with the different algorithms and the models. You need to be a part of some research communities. You can find them easily on Kaggle and also on the GitHub repositories. Attend the conferences, do some journaling, and that's how you can do the advancements in AGI. This is not the end, as AGI is also evolving and continuously improving at the exponential growth. You have to keep learning and you need to understand what is the current trend, what is the new trend, and what is the new field of study that has been evolved, which will help you master AGI. Alright, now let's wrap up this video. Just to summarize what we discussed, in the start of the video we talked about what is AGI, how it is different than narrow AI, what are the different characteristics and the components of AGI. I also discussed about some of the challenges that we have with AGI, why it is not so easy to expect human-like behavior from AGI, and finally the most important part, that is how you can master general artificial intelligence, a step-by-step approach to learn Gen AI. And that's how we come to an end of this video. If you have any questions regarding the same, let us know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.